Top 5 Smartwatch 2024 on Amazon. Number 5 Samsung Galaxy Watch 644 Bluetooth smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 644 Bluetooth smartwatch represents a pinnacle in wearable technology, seamlessly blending style and functionality. As a flagship device in the Galaxy Watch series, this smartwatch is designed to cater to the diverse needs of users, offering a comprehensive suite of features to enhance both fitness tracking and overall health and wellness. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch 6 is its advanced fitness tracking capabilities. The smartwatch is equipped with a wide range of sensors, including a personalized heart rate monitor that not only tracks your heart rate throughout the day, but also enables personalized heart rate zones for optimized workouts. Whether you're engaging in high-intensity interval training or going for a leisurely walk, the Galaxy Watch 6 provides real-time heart rate data to help you tailor your exercise routines.
Number 4. Garmin VivoActive 4S, smaller-sized GPS smartwatch. The Garmin VivoActive 4S is a compact and stylish GPS smartwatch designed for individuals with active lifestyles. This smaller-sized variant is ideal for those who prefer a more streamlined and comfortable fit on their wrists. With a sleek rose gold finish and a white band, it not only offers advanced functionality, but also adds a touch of elegance to your overall look. Here are some key features of the Garmin VivoActive 4S GPS and fitness tracking. The VivoActive 4S comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to accurately track your outdoor activities, such as running, cycling, and hiking. It also provides comprehensive fitness metrics, helping you monitor your performance and progress over time. Music on the go. This smartwatch enables you to enjoy music without the need for your phone. You can download and store your favorite songs directly on the device or stream music from compatible services.
Number 3. Garmin VivoMove Trend Stylish Hybrid Smartwatch. The Garmin VivoMove Trend is a stylish hybrid smartwatch that seamlessly blends classic analog aesthetics with modern smartwatch functionality. Designed to cater to individuals who appreciate both fashion and technology, this timepiece offers a sophisticated look while providing a range of smart features to enhance daily life.
The Vantage M2 takes a holistic approach to health and fitness by incorporating features for sleep and recovery tracking. It monitors your sleep patterns, providing detailed information about your sleep stages, interruptions, and overall sleep quality. This data helps you understand the quality of your rest, enabling you to make lifestyle adjustments for better recovery and performance.
Number 2. Polar Vantage M2 Advanced Multisport Smartwatch. The Polar Vantage M2 is a cutting-edge multi-sport smartwatch that seamlessly blends advanced technology with comprehensive features to cater to the needs of fitness enthusiasts and athletes. Packed with a multitude of functions, this smartwatch is designed to enhance your overall well-being by providing accurate and insightful data about your physical activities, recovery, and sleep patterns. One of the standout features of the Polar Vantage M2 is its integrated GPS, which allows for precise tracking of your outdoor activities. Whether you're running, cycling, or hiking, the watch ensures that you can monitor your routes and distances accurately. The GPS feature is particularly beneficial for athletes who require precise location data to analyze their performance and progress.
Number 1. Polar Ignite 3 Series Fitness Tracking Smartwatch. The Polar Ignite 3 Series Fitness Tracking Smartwatch is a cutting-edge wearable device designed to enhance your fitness journey and overall well-being. With its stylish and versatile brown copper color option, this smartwatch not only delivers advanced performance, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your everyday attire. AMOLED display. The Polar Ignite 3 boasts a vibrant and high-resolution AMOLED display that provides sharp visuals and vivid colors. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the display ensures excellent visibility, making it easy to check your stats and notifications at a glance. GPS tracking. Equipped with built-in GPS functionality, this smartwatch accurately tracks your outdoor activities, such as running, cycling, or hiking. You can view your route, distance covered, and pace directly on the watch, allowing you to analyze and optimize your workouts effectively.